Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. People watching my video for the first time, hi, my name is Manisha and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to show how to create a wing eyeliner on hooded eyes. People who do not know what is hooded eyes, it is an extra layer of skin that drops over the crease and this makes your lid appear smaller. And when you apply any eyeliner, this extra layer of skin hides it completely. So what you have to do is look straight and draw a line at the outer corner of your lid and slightly close your eyes and follow the line. And as you follow the line, a C kind of letter will be formed. So I call it as C wing.
Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Damn it.
After making C wing, draw a thin line on the rest of the eyelid. A thin line because when you apply thick eyeliner, that literally kills the vibe of your wing eyeliner that you want to achieve. So make a thin line and make it neat.
Yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. Yeah.
So guys, I hope this video would be helpful to you and do not forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed already and hit a like on this video if you like it. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.